So one of the most popular videos on my channel is how to create this lovely fake brick wall that is behind me. I think it's convincing. I think it's convincing on a quick glance, but if you're here in real life, if you see it in real life, you can tell that it is a sticker, and it is basically wallpaper from Target. I'll go ahead and link below where you can still get it if it is still available. One of the number one questions I get about this wallpaper is it apartment safe? Folks are out here not trying to ruin their walls, not trying to get this huge bill once they move out, but they still want to have a lot of style and still have things look cool. So the answer is yes, it is apartment safe, and to show you all how safe it is, I thought I would go ahead and remove my sticker so you can see the effect it has on the wall behind me. So I'm actually gonna start with this plug. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this plug. If you remember the video, you saw the whole thing where to make it look more natural, you just go ahead and take this off, put the sticker on. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo that and tear off some of the wallpaper. You can see the way the wall looks behind it. So that is this video. Go ahead and give me a like if you are like, yes, I'm so glad she's finally showing me, because I wanted to do the wall and I was not sure. And subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, let's go ahead and tear this brick wall down, shall we?